Good morning, everyone. It's an unexpected day today, an unexpected video, really, if you pretty much put it that way. We bought another vehicle. It's not personally for me, but for our family. We actually got a wrecked Audi A7 2015. It has like 50,000 miles on it. It doesn't seem like it's too horrible of a damage, so we're taking delivery. We went to insurance auction, made a payment this morning, and gave all the information to our tow truck driver, so he's about to deliver it to us. Stay tuned. We got our baby parked right here. Got all the space cleared out. It's gonna be right here, waiting for the tow truck driver. Here he comes. So just put it right here. Here's the baby. All right, so yeah, we're about to unload it, and then I'm gonna show you guys in details what the damage is and all that. So this is the car. As you guys can see, the quarter panel is damaged. I mean, it's pretty damaged. I mean, nothing about it. It hit something with the rim. The tire needs to be replaced. And the one thing I noticed right here, as you guys can see, the control arm snapped. So that's one of the reasons why the wheel is crooked like that. The rear door has just minor ticks, so that this could be fixed. And then here's the bad damage. You can see all the internals of this car. Look at this. That's bad. Wow. The same thing with the fender on this side. So the door needs to be replaced. Fender, the control arm, lower control arm, the wheel, tire. This door needs to be fixed up, the rear door. Everything else seems like it's fine. The the quarter panel here, I don't know. We were thinking with my relatives, he said we're probably gonna be able to fix it. I don't see how. I think it's better just take it to a professional shop and have them order a new quarter panel and just weld it in. That's probably gonna be the best idea. I mean, we have a welder, but I don't know, for something like this, for a car that's 2015, it's just, I don't know if it's worth it taking that risk and doing it ourselves. So most likely we'll take it to the shop and have that quarter panel fixed, replaced, and then do the rest of the stuff ourselves, the control arm, the suspension, and the fender and door replacement. And then we're probably gonna fix up that door ourselves. We've done stuff like that, that's not major. So yeah, let's go around the car, show you guys. It's a 3.0 supercharged quattro, so it's the 4-wheel drive. The rest of the car looks pretty actually good. The only thing I noticed is the tires. Whoever owned this car was kind of cheapskate. He didn't replace all the tires. Well, he seems like put on these tires. I mean, they're all good, they're both good, but I don't know which set, the front or rear, he put on separately. So they're not, the front ones and the rear ones are different, but they're, yeah, these two are the same and those two are the same in the back. So yeah, the front end looks good. We had trouble unloading it because of that wheel from the tow truck, and it actually is missing the key because this was stolen. So whoever wrecked it stole it, and we don't have a key, so we're gonna have to go make one at the dealership. So yeah, this car, I mean, has quite a bit of work that needs to be done to it. So the wheel is just prevented us to kind of get it off the truck. Even, I mean, I figured out how to put it in neutral, but I'll show you guys later that. But let's take a sneak peek at the interior, so you guys can see. It's a brown interior. Let me get in really quick so I can show you guys. Oh man, those squeaks. And just, well, the dash is lit up. I think that's because of the security, seeing that there's no key and people messing in the car. But yeah, the interior seems pretty good. I don't know, they wrapped the belt around the neck of this one. Let me see if that's, yeah, the belts are good, no airbags deployed. So I don't know how this car was damaged. Was it parked? I don't even know. We're gonna have to get a key and find out. And I mean, I looked under the hood, everything looks good under the hood. So we're hoping that the under the hood is good with this car. There's nothing, I mean, I looked, there was nothing seen. So we're gonna get the key, start it up. This is a risk that we took, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it plays out, but for now we're just gonna have to focus on maybe buying the parts, the front fender, this door, replace that, replace the control arm in the back, get the wheel straight so we can ride it, so we can at least push it back and forth, and then get the key from a dealership. That's one of the few things that we need to do first before we focus on anything else, on the quarter panel and stuff like that. So yeah, that's that. All right, so and then for how much we bought it for, we actually got it from the auction, shipped to our house with the tow truck bill, about $10,850 or something like that. Yeah, $10,850 shipped to our house here. So that's what it cost us right now. My guess right now, if by looking at it, what it's gonna cost us to finish it and everything, probably around 15 to make it perfect back to original, but we'll see. I don't know. All right, so now we have some more content on the channel. Now we have another vehicle, so I'm pretty excited, pretty stoked to get working on this car. I'm gonna document everything, pretty much the repair process from the beginning to an end of this Audi. We're still gonna keep modifying my Volvos, the P3, T6, both of them, the blue one and the red one. That's still gonna be up and coming on the channel. We also are gonna be finishing up restoring that S60R, so all that good stuff is coming still. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button, recommend my channel to your friends, you know, that are car enthusiasts that like watching people work on cars. That would be awesome. That would be really helpful to me. And yeah, as always, thank you guys, and see you next time.